Yo, what's going on? In this video, I want to explain to you what email marketing is. If you are a YouTuber or you run a business, you need to know what this is, and it's really going to help you out. So stay tuned.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long.
If you want to get more views on your YouTube gaming channel, go to growonyoutube.com/free chapter right now. When you go over there, you'll get to this page and you'll be able to discover the secret to getting more YouTube views with a free chapter of my book, A Gamer's Guide to Greatness. This free chapter will teach you how to use video SEO to bring more views to your gaming videos, how to make your videos rank on the first page of YouTube, and how to build a YouTube gaming channel that grows consistently. So definitely go to growonyoutube.com/free chapter and start growing your YouTube gaming channel today. Yo, what's going on? I'm Jay Cartere from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better. And I made a video a little while ago about YouTube notifications and why your subscribers don't get all your notifications. Go check that out if you haven't done so already. And that basically went through why your subscribers aren't getting all your notifications. If you didn't know already, if you're a YouTuber, just because you put up a video doesn't mean all your subscribers will get sent that video, which I think is a misconception from viewers and people who haven't done YouTube for a very long time or haven't looked into that. So that begs the question, like, how do you notify all your subscribers, or how do you communicate with them? And one of the suggestions that I gave and put forth in that video was that you should actually be creating an email list, because that is something that you own and you are able to notify your subscribers or whoever subscribed to that email list when you want to, and you're able to basically let people know when you've got a new video out and that sort of thing. So I want to talk about what email marketing is and how you can use it to help your YouTube channel or your business. So first of all, let's start with the definition for email marketing, which I got off Google. I always like to start with the correct definition, and then we can move out and I can tell you what email marketing means to me and what it will mean to you. So email marketing is the targeting of consumers through electronic mail, email, often associated with data mining. Email marketing can be used to impact consumers in a variety of ways. In general, email marketing is a more evolved digital form of traditional direct mail marketing. And if you don't know what direct mail marketing is basically when you send people something through the mail. And you may be getting that now. Maybe you've signed up, or I think your bank will probably send you a bunch of emails through your, not emails, they'll send you a lot of papers through your letterbox and whatnot, or you can sign up to online statements and online banking and that sort of stuff for paperless statements. And you'll probably get Sky sending, or if you're in the UK, you'll get Sky or other TV providers trying to get you to sign up to their new thing, or maybe internet providers sending you letters to sign up to their internet provider. So basically, you probably get letters through your door trying to sell you stuff. And that is generally spam. That's spam, but it is marketing. It's direct mail marketing, but if it's done in a wrong way, like people are just sending you things that you didn't want, then it's spam. Like when people just go and they just put things through your post box and it's not something that you've asked for, something that you've opted in for, then that is spam. So you really want to stay away from spam. It can be really easy to get into spam, but we're going to talk about how to stay away from that and how to actually approach email marketing. So basically, with email marketing, the way it works is you get someone's permission to email them. So they sign up to your email list. They give you their email address, possibly their name, depending on how you've set up your opt-in, different information about themselves. And then from that point onwards, you are then legally allowed to market to them, to send them promotional emails and that sort of stuff. But I personally do not suggest you just spam people your new videos or your new product or whatever, because that is not a great way to keep someone on your email list, and that doesn't provide enough value to keep people wanting to receive your emails. The way I approach email marketing is, first of all, we'll get into these aspects in more depth in future videos, because I'm going to do a kind of series on email marketing, because I think it's just so important for people to know. But the first thing you do is you have them opt in with a free offer. So you give them something for free in exchange for their email address. So they give you the permission to email them and their email address for this thing that you're giving to them. And then generally you want that thing that you're giving to them to be related to the type of emails that they're going to get. I will show you some examples later on, but let me quickly just tell you kind of thing that I'm doing with Grow on YouTube. So basically, for Grow on YouTube, I've got the free chapter of my book, which I'm not really pushing right about now, but I've got a free course that will show you how to basically use SEO to bring viewers and subscribers to your YouTube channel. And this is at the end of every one of my YouTube guide videos, so people see that, and then they sign up to that, they go through the free course, and then they receive weekly videos and emails that basically, or videos in the emails that walk them through different ways to promote their YouTube channel, to grow their YouTube channel, to make money from their YouTube channel, just all stuff about growing their YouTube channel and becoming a full-time YouTube gamer, because that is what the course was about. It was marketed in the way to help people who want to become YouTube gamers. So they come in expecting something to help them become a YouTube gamer, and then they get more emails that help them become a YouTube gamer. And sprinkled in, there are a few offers. For example, my book, A Gamer's Guide to Greatness, I offer that. I'll probably offer my course when that's out. And this is basic email marketing. I'm not just spamming them saying, yo, watch this, buy this, watch this, buy this. No, because what a lot of YouTubers probably would do if they knew about email marketing, because most people don't, especially YouTube gamers. I don't really know of any YouTube gamer that's using email marketing to their advantage. Definitely not on the level that they could be. But what most YouTubers would do is they'd get people's email addresses and then just send them an email every time they upload a new video, which, fair enough, you can do that, but you need to be giving people stuff in between as well. Every email cannot be a promotional email, otherwise people are just going to unsubscribe and they're not going to want your emails anymore. Think about the email list that you're on. You're probably on a bunch of email lists, especially if you've bought something from somewhere. You're probably on their email list. Like, let me give an example. I don't know. Let's say you go to Sainsbury's for shopping and you order some stuff from Sainsbury's. You might then see that Sainsbury's is emailing you now and again to let you know the new deals that they've got. But if you don't want to know about those deals, or you're not really into Sainsbury's like that, you might be like, why am I on this email list? I'm unsubscribing. They're not giving me enough information to help me out. But that's a supermarket, so it's different, because you're generally just going to be ordering from them on a regular basis. So to have some deals would generally just be nice. But like, when you buy something from somewhere, you're usually added to their email list, and they'll usually try to market to you to keep you in the ecosystem of their business, to keep you being a customer so that you can become a customer later on. This will help you get more sales for your business. If you're using email marketing, it will help you get more sales for your business, because you'll be continually contacting people who have already bought from you, and you'll be continually contacting people who may be interested in buying from you, who are called leads. That's what we'll call them. So remember that. So you'll be talking to leads, and you'll be talking to, old customers, and you'll be trying to get people to purchase again, to basically think about your brand, and to purchase for the first time, or to watch a video for the first time, to think about your YouTube videos or whatever. And this is just a great way to be able to market to the people who want to hear from you and control that actual interaction. Because on YouTube you don't control it, on Facebook you don't control it, on Twitter you don't control it, on all these platforms, yeah, if this platform's like, yo, we don't want this person on the platform anymore, you're gone, and everything that you've built is gone as well. So you need to be having a real backup plan. You can't just be going in here and be like, yo, YouTube's got me. Because first of all, they don't even notify your subscribers. Subscribers don't mean much. If you really want your subscribers to know about all your videos, they need to turn on the notification bell. But if you want to get them even deeper, get them to subscribe to your email list. And I'm going to be talking about how to get people to subscribe to your email list, how to grow your email list in the next video. So make sure you stick around for that. I hope I've kind of explained what email marketing is, how it can help you. It can really help you, because when you have email marketing, you basically have a sheet of people's details. You have a sheet of like emails, people's names, that sort of stuff that you can download from whatever email marketing service provider that you're using, which we'll talk about in the next video, like different email marketing service providers. You can download that, upload it to a new service provider, or mass email through Gmail, which you shouldn't do, but you own that list. When you're on YouTube, you don't own your subscribers. When you're on Twitter, you don't own your followers. When you're on Facebook, you don't own your fans. Facebook is probably the worst, but you don't own that. When you have your email list, you own that. No one can come and take it away from you unless you bought it from someone else and it's a spam email list. Then someone could probably come take it away from you, or if people aren't giving you their consent to actually send them these emails. But yeah, I hope I've explained this well enough. If you've got any questions, leave them down below. Or if you've got any other videos you'd like me to make, leave those in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and liking and subscribing. I definitely will be making more videos around email marketing. The next video will be how to grow your email list. So be sure to stay around for that. And yeah, we'll get into that maybe next week, maybe the week after. I don't know. I'm going to film it right now, so I don't know when it's going to come out. But make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Peace out. If you want to learn how I got over 23,000 subscribers and millions of views on my YouTube gaming channel, then you are in luck. Sign up to this free course right now. Link will be in the card, in the description, and in the pinned comment, or go to growonyoutube.com/20k SEO course. In this course, you will learn the best way to write your video titles, tags, and descriptions to help you rank on the first page of YouTube. It's simple when you know what to do. I'll also show you a hack that will help you choose the right key phrases and help you create videos that can rank and get views no matter what game you play. Stop struggling to grow your YouTube gaming channel and start doing what works. Click on the link in the description or go to growonyoutube.com/20k SEO course. This course will not be up forever, so get in there as soon as possible. I hope to see you here soon, and I wish you the best of luck on your journey of turning your passion into your career.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long. So all this warmth I share with you.